We'll guide you through how to compare DaVinci Resolve free versus paid. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop, and let's explore the key differences. The free version, which is quite powerful by itself, offers you basic editing features, color correction, and audio post-production tools. However, it lacks some advanced features that the paid version, DaVinci Resolve Studio, includes. Now, let's dive into what the paid version offers. In DaVinci Resolve Studio, you get access to additional features like advanced noise reduction, motion blur effects, and support for higher resolution and frame rates, including 4K and above. You'll also find the Studio version offers collaboration tools, which are crucial for team projects, allowing multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. One of the biggest advantages is the Neural Engine, which provides AI-powered tools like facial recognition, speed warp, and auto color matching, making your editing workflow much more efficient. Another key feature is the support for third-party plugins and hardware acceleration, which can significantly boost your productivity. To see these differences firsthand, you can download and install the free version from the Blackmagic Design website and explore the features yourself. For the Studio version, you need to purchase a license, usually available directly from Blackmagic Design or authorized retailers. Remember, if you're working on professional projects or require more advanced tools, investing in the Studio version might be worthwhile. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.